Hey guys, so I often speak about triggers and what an amazing opportunity every trigger gives you to uncover something in yourself, to heal something, to see where there's areas in your life where you can still step into another word, a mastery. I often use the word mastery very often. So why is it important to be able to see these triggers and to be able to step into mastery other than just to heal? You see, we've been so indoctrinated in school and in life to meet someone else's standards, to pass a certain test. Once I've done that, once I step into mastery, I'm good enough. And I want to clarify this whole aspect of mastery. This is not school. This is not some kind of low vibration where you need to meet somebody else's requirements. Real mastery is because when you really desire from your own heart to be the fullness of who you are, to step in your full potential, another term that I often use, it is because it's when you reach that point that is so important to you. It doesn't matter whether another person thinks of you or don't think about you. It's your own standards. Now, yes, of course, I'm very much unaware that sometimes our own standards are sort of unrealistic or too high or too harsh. Why is it too harsh? Because it's often because we compare ourselves to somebody else's standards. When you compare yourself just to the divine being you are and you say, I know I am divine, am I expressing that full divinity, that full potential? Then it doesn't become a matter of, am I passing a test? Am I good enough? Am I meeting someone else's standard? Then it really becomes a matter of, am I actually expressing the fullness of who I know I am? Not who I can become, who I know I am. And when you keep that in mind, it does away with all this comparison, the critique, the not good enough, because those are all just when we play a lower level game, when we really don't value and don't realize who we really are. But it's one thing to know who we really are, and it's another thing to say, in this human life, I'm not expressing the fullness of this. That is where you have to take accountability. So often we say, well, I am divine. That's one part of the thing. Then the second part is, how are you expressing this? Because you are responsible for that energy that you put out in the world. You are responsible to express and to realize that full potential here. That's real mastery. And that's real mastery when it comes from your heart, from your own desire. The word desire is actually meaning you pull it down from the stars. Like, it's such an important, it must be such a drive in you to really say, wow, I can become more whole. I am more whole. I can express more wholeness within me. So I really just wanted to clarify that and just chat about mastery and triggers and this whole becoming and stepping into your full potential. Thanks for listening. Hope you're well. Bye.